Why is there Coca-Cola in our kitchen? Good morning, my friends. It has been a long day already. I've been up since 5, not because I wanted to be. That's when my child has decided he is going to wake up every single day. 11:18, I've been up too long already. But silver lining here is I got a lot of stuff done. So we got up, I made Beckett some bacon. He ate his bacon, I ate his leftovers. Also this morning, crisis, we're out of heavy cream, so no coffee today. I'm past the point of coffee this morning, like it's too late. You know, it's just too late. My day's already started. So I ate some of Beckett's bacon, did some work on the computer, got a workout in. I didn't use pre-workout this morning. I just didn't feel like I needed it today, which is funny since I'm actually exhausted. You'd think today I would need it. Didn't use my pre-workout today, I just got up and did it. Played with Loki, and then I made myself an electrolyte drink because I just feel like I need more electrolytes. Probably because it's 1,000 degrees outside and humid as all get out. I'll link these, by the way. How cute are these? They come with a straw and they come with the lid too. Since I've been up since 5, I am hungry already. So we're gonna boil some eggs in the Instant Pot. So technically we're gonna pressure cook some eggs. I've been doing my eggs in the pressure cooker now for a while because it's so easy. So I just put about 1 inch of water in the bottom, then I put the rack in here, and then I put my eggs in there. Pete and Jerry eggs, love them. Can't wait for my hens to start laying. It's probably gonna be, what, like 4 more months though? I just lay them on the rack. I cook several at a time because I've been pretty much eating the same thing for like 3 weeks. So I set it to cook for 5 minutes, close the vent, cook it for 5 minutes, slow release for 5 minutes, and then I put it in the ice bath. So that's what we're having for lunch. We're ready to get our eggs out of here. There's always a little pressure left in there, so you can see the metal cap is still up, so I'm gonna let the pressure out. Now you can see the middle is down, so just gonna open it up. Ta-da! Then I'm just gonna take the eggs out, put them in the ice water. Then I'll let them sit in here for about 5 minutes, cool off, and then I'll peel them. There are my beautiful eggs. And here is my beautiful husband.
Your sweaty husband.
Did you hurt yourself today?
Not yet. No, I don't think. No, I'm good.
Not bleeding
so
anywhere?
Mm-mm.
That's fantastic. Did you cut down a tree?
No, not yet. I've got my chainsaw ready. My blade is sharpened. I have oil. I have a full battery. But I need the wind to blow down the humongous pine tree that I've got 80% cut that won't fall. I need the wind to take care of that, and then I can get back out there and finish.
How many times are you going to wear that shirt in my videos?
I'm going to wear this shirt. This shirt is indestructible.
It is.
We bought it as a joke. It was like, what, $8 or something?
We bought it at Earthbound like 7 years ago.
Well, maybe it's really good quality, but I've had this. I don't own a t-shirt that doesn't have holes in it from the
Except
dog.
for that one.
Except for this one.
Yeah.
And so I have committed. I'm wearing this shirt every time I go out and work. Clean or dirty, I'm just wearing this shirt, and if it lasts forever, hey, there you go. I got. What's my use for wear so far here? Or
it's probably free at this point.
It's free at this point, yeah. So I'm just going to keep wearing it until I get a hole in it. Then I'm going to throw it away. But yeah. I can't get a hole in it.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's hilarious.
Earthbound, man. Good quality, evidently.
Are you going to eat? Or are you still going to work?
I'm going to go work some more.
You got electrolytes?
Yeah, I got my electrolytes and my water. Got my coffee under my belt. I'm strong like bull. Ready to go.
Okay. Good job. Don't hurt yourself.
Okay. You like my feminine...
Is that mine?
Yeah. It works really well in my cup holder.
If you guessed that I was going to have boiled eggs, anchovies, and Caesar salad dressing, then you know me very well. And some of you may have guessed that. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. You know what I mean? Some people commented in the last video that these are in olive oil. We do normally buy from Wild Planet. Hey Loki, do you want an anchovy? And I guess we just ran out, and this is some that we had from quarantine. And so they've just been sitting in the cabinet, and so I finally opened them. If you don't like olive oil, you know, that's fine. It's not a big deal to me. I'm gonna add my Caesar dressing, which also has olive oil in it. Hi, baby Loki. Hi, baby Loki. Do you want a bite? I don't think he knows what to think about that. The last time, oh, you ate it. Oh no, it dropped on the floor. Do you want to go get it? Go get it. The last time I made this, he appeared in the video right when I opened the anchovies. Like he was like, that smells good. By the way, we've been feeding Loki chicken liver, turkey liver, blend with minerals and vitamins in it. And he's eating really well. He's doing great. He's using his potty box. He's a great cat, and he's so sweet. If you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing pictures of Beckett and Loki like snuggling together. The cutest darn thing ever. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all of this. I think my eyes were probably smidge bigger than my stomach since I ate bacon already this morning, which that was at like 8, so it wasn't that long ago. I don't know, we'll see. I might eat it all. Sometimes I surprise myself. Okay, I was right. Definitely couldn't eat all of those, but I did eat all of the anchovies. And there was like, I don't know, at least 6 on there. And I ate most of the yolk. Like what's left in here is mostly egg white, which isn't my favorite part anyways. One more anchovy. Well, like 1/4 of an anchovy. Fixing to start my cycle. And always, so back in the day, used to, the week before my cycle, I would want to eat everything in sight. And now it's more like in the few days before I start, my appetite is kind of just like, meh. It's not that great. Nothing really sounds wonderful to me. And I'm just kind of I have to make myself sit down and eat something, like an actual meal. Otherwise, I'll just grab a bag of carnivore crisps. Just something that changed after I started being more protein fat based as opposed to protein fat, whole food, keto carb based. When I was eating like keto cookies and keto chips and all of that stuff, then I would ramp up my eating and I would eat all that crap. Like I would literally eat 10 bags of Quest chips and 4 fat snack cookies, and it would just be a junk week and I would feel like crap even though I was eating keto. It didn't promote an awesome time for me. This last month, I didn't even know I was fixing to start, which I have an app on my phone and it tells me, but I guess I just missed the memo. Usually I can pretty much tell by my mood, like I'm just a little more negative. I'm a little PMSy, which, listen, before keto, it was PMDD, like I was a heinous biatch back then. This past month, I was so positive and upbeat and I was planning things and I was being productive. Usually my productivity kind of like goes down in the week before my period. No, that didn't happen. In fact, my productivity went up. And all of a sudden I started my cycle and I was like, oh my gosh. So weird, because normally I know when it's coming because of those things. It did not happen last month. I was just as productive. My energy was just as high. I felt just as good all the way up to the day that I started my cycle. I haven't really changed anything in the last month, except for I have started eating more protein, but it's still fatty protein. But I guess I don't know. I don't know if that had anything to do with it or I just had a good month. I don't know. I just thought that was really interesting. All right, I'm gonna go do some work now. And I'll check back in when there's something to tell you. I need you to clarify, well, why this poison is sitting there.
Well, people may have seen the video recently of the soccer great Ronaldo. He sat down at a press conference at a big soccer tournament, and obviously Coca-Cola was one of the sponsors, and they had put in 2 bottles of Coca-Cola in front of him. And he just summarily reached and got them and moved them out of the frame of the camera and said, agua. And so I'm going to do that in a video coming up. So I picked up, I had Melissa pick them up. She got 2. I just needed 2 bottles, but she got 2 4-packs. But yeah, so I'm using them for a video.
Yeah, those aren't for us.
No.
Although they look really pretty. They're the pretty glass bottles. Abby Grace would want them.
Yeah.
It is fixing to come a big storm out here. It's only 1 o'clock and it is super dark outside. Do you see any blueberries? No. No? See some green ones. They're not ready.
No, not yet.
Check the next one.
No.
No. What about the next one? Ooh, look.
Look.
You see? Yep.
No, that's not ready yet. Get this one, baby. Get that one.
That one,
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Yep.
That.
yeah. You got it? You gonna eat it? Next year we'll have more.
Up.
Up.
I'll hold you.
You wanna hold me?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the one.
Started out being really hot today, and now what is it, like 70? It's cooled off.
Yeah,
It's
I
really
think it's
weird.
gonna rain.
Well, it did rain, but for a
No, but
minute we were
not
supposed to get a big
tomorrow.
storm, and it just rained for a couple of minutes.
Nope. Tomorrow. Nope. Tomorrow. Not ready yet. They come off easy when they're ripe. They just fall off.
Becca, do you love berries? Raspberries?
This is.
I think the chickens think we have treats. Oh my goodness. You act like you haven't been fed. F is for falcon. Falcon. G is for Groot and Gamora. Gamora. H is for Hulk. I is for Iron Man. It's Monday, by the way, and we are again mooching Wi-Fi off of some very kind individuals so that we can go live because we still don't have internet. at
Thank
our
you,
house.
friends. Thank you.
Yeah, it's been an adventure.
Yeah.
The farmhouse and the lives. They just it's soon.
The lack of
Yes?
internet is my new favorite thing in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I don't like about Mondays?
What?
I always get off on my eating. So normally I would eat at 6:30ish, but since we have to drive to go get Wi-Fi, then I don't eat, and then by the time we're going live, I'm starving, and then when we get home, it's 8 o'clock,
Yeah.
and then I'm eating later than I normally do. But
Yeah. Just one day a week. Take one for the tribe.
yeah, it's fine. I get a little distracted during our lives because I'm like, what am I going to eat when I get home?
That's what you're thinking about?
Yes.
Wow.
We just watched this guy fry eggs on a waffle iron, and now I'm even hungrier.
You gonna try that?
Not tonight, but maybe.
I would eat that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it looked good.
Butter it up.
See, man, that's all I can think about is food right now.
Now you're making me hungry.
Well, join the club. Here we are, fixing to go live.
Monday Night Live. Let's do it.
What are you eating?
What day?
Strawberry. Is it good?
Blue day.
There's Loki. Hello, Loki.
And the face.
He touched your face. You can tell everybody hi.
Hi.
Hi. Did you have a good day today?
Lolly.
No, that's Dada. See?
Dada.
Heating me up a steak. I'm hungry.
Hot.
It's hot. We gotta wait. Do you want some avocado?
It's up. Help, mommy.
You gonna help mommy? Okay, hang on. It's okay. Hang on. Let me close it. Okay, now. Ready? Hang on. I'll help you. Okay, now. There we go. All right.
Salt.
It's salt, yeah. All right. Do you want a bite?
No.
You don't?
Hot.
It's not hot.
Cold.
It's not cold either. Perfect. Oh, thank you. So me and Beckett are gonna have our steak. Got some avocado on here too. And we're gonna go night. Oh, there's the light. And then wake up in the morning and do it all over again. You want some more? Beckett. Hope you enjoyed this What I Ate in a Day vlog. I'll be back next week with another one, or maybe later this week, honestly. Who can tell? See you in the next one. Love you, mean it. Bye. More?
Boom.
Don't hit my steak. Here. You want a bite?